This is question number 10 from exercise number 3.1, where question says, in the figure, this is the given figure, line DE is parallel with line GF. So this is line DE which is parallel with GF. This is line GF. These two lines are parallel. Ray EG, this line is ray EG and ray FG. So these are EG and FG are actually angle bisector of angle E and F. We need to prove that angle DEG is half of angle EDF. So this is first target for this question. So I am going for this only. How we can solve this question? Now, first, it is given that EG is angle bisector. So here I can consider DEG, angle DEG is of x degree. This is x. So this angle FEG will also become x degree because EG is angle bisector and these two angles are equal. Besides, ED is parallel with FG. If ED is parallel with FG, and in fact FG is bisector of this angle F, so here I can say each is of y degree. So here you can say this angle is of y and this angle is of y. You need to prove that angle DEG. So DEG, we are talking about this angle. This is my angle DEG, right? DEG is half of angle EDF. EDF, that this angle. So we need to prove that this angle DEG is half of angle EDF. These two angles is of x and these two is of y. Now we need to prove this. What we can do in that case, we can say that this angle is actually this x is equal with this x, and since ED is parallel with FG, which is given, ED is parallel with FG. So here I can consider this angle DEG, this angle DEG is equal with angle GFE, DFG, these two angles. This angle DEG, I am talking about this angle DEG, and angle, this angle EDFG, since they are alternate angles made between two parallel lines by a transversal. So angle EDF, angle DFG are equal, and same way this angle X, I can prove that this angle X is actually equal with this angle Y. They are corresponding angles made between two parallel lines. This whole angle is equal with this Y, this one. So I'll write one by one so you will understand. Look, this is already proved that this angle is equal with this. So here you can say this is Y because this angle is of Y, and this whole angle is equal with this whole angle. So in that case you can say angle DEF, and I am taking EF as a transversal. ED and FG are two parallel lines. So in that case, this angle DEF and angle GFM are equal. So this is GFM, which is Y. So this X can be considered as half of EDF. EDF, okay. I'll start writing this so that you can understand better. Your angle DEG is equal with angle GEF, and each is of x degree. This is our assumption. Reason is EG is angle bisector. So this is first set of information. We can label this as equation number 1. Now, same way, I can say angle DFG is equal with angle GFM, and each is of y degree. Same reason, but this time your angle bisector is FG. So you can say FG is an angle bisector. This is my information number 2. Now after that, I'll take this ED parallel with FG, which is already given. ED parallel with FG, ED parallel with FG, and we can consider DF as a transversal. DF is a transversal. Okay. If DF is a transversal, then I can say angle EDF I'm talking about this angle, angle EDF is equal with angle DFG, because they are alternate angles made between two parallel lines by a transversal. So here I'll write alternate angle this is my information number 3. They are alternate angles. Now EDF is equal with DGF. These two angles are alternate angles. EDF, I'm talking about this angle. This is EDF, and DFG, this one. So since DFG is already considered as Y, DFG is considered as Y degree. So here EDF will also become Y degree because DFG is Y. So therefore angle EDF is of y degree. This is from 2 and 3. This is from 2 and 3. That angle EDF is of y degree. Now it's time to prove that angle x and y are equal. So this will be proved because DEG is actually x according to our assumption, and EDF 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 is equal with y. So if I'll prove that x is half of y, so this can be done. So I'll consider this as equation number 4, where we says EDF is of y. Now it's time to bring a relationship between x and y. So I'm going to develop that relationship between x and y. And how we can do that? By just changing our transversal. So this time I'm taking same parallel line. Look at this. Here I'm saying ED parallel with FG. This is same as previous case. You can have look on this. I already taken ED parallel with FG. I'm going to take ED parallel with FG. But this time I'm going to change this transversal. Remember that. Here we have taken DF as transversal, but this time I'm going to take EF as a transversal. So here I'll take ED parallel with FG and EF is a transversal. So if EF is a transversal, then I'll keep this here so that we can refer our diagram. Okay. Now, as per this, if ED parallel with FG and EF is a transversal, can I say angle DEF is equal with angle GFM, angle GFM. They are corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. And this is my information number. Let it be, don't put any number over here. Just observe this DEF. I'm talking about this whole angle. So instead of DEF, can I say it is 2x? Look, this whole angle is actually DEF. This whole portion is DEF. One part is x, the other part is x. So here you can say DEF is actually 2 times of x. And angle GFM, so GFM is y degree. Here it is already given y according to our assumption. So here GFM can be taken as y. Now with this relationship, you can say, look, x on its place, this y on its place. I can bring this 2 to this side on right hand side. It will divide my y. So therefore x is actually, when you separate this y upon 2, it will look like 1 by 2 into y. So x is half of y. Now come here. If x is half of y, so here your angle DEG, we have angle DEG. This is your angle DEG. In above we have already proved that angle EDG is equals to DFG. So EDF is of y degree. So this EDF is y. This EDF is y degree. So I'll take my both the angles. Here x is what? Instead of x I can take DEG. So therefore x, that is DEG, angle DEG is my x, is equals to 1 by 2. So here I'll take 1 by 2, and here we have y, and y is what? Y is EDF, angle EDF. So this is from third, and fourth. You can fifth. You can consider this equation as fifth. So this is from third and fifth. Okay. Now this is complete solution for this question. Now it's time to have a discussion on this solution, and I'm going to unmute everybody. You can ask your question, queries, doubt, if any.